Good job, babe. Cleaning it. Oh, you gotta pull it. Let me see. I'll do it. Don't break it. You're gonna break it.
Ta-da! I made the star like that. Look. Look, Daddy.
Oh, good job.
Let me show you.
Good job.
It's like the worms.
It's like a worm? That one's like a worm. Look at that one.
And then you found some family.
It's a family? Don't bite me. I'm scared. Ah!
Remember you? It's a nice worm.
It's a nice worm?
You want to see it? I'm not scared of you.
No, I'm scared.
No, I'm not scared. It's a happy. Touch it.
Oh, okay. It's not scary?
No. It just tickles you. Let's put this one in.
You're gonna clean it, make another one?
Yeah.
Can I help you? Which one you want?
This one. I want the circle.
A what?
Shark. I want shark.
Circle?
No, I want shark.
A shark?
Yeah.
Has a shark on there?
Yeah. Right here.
Where? This one?
Yeah,
That's a leaf, I think.
Oh, it's a leaf. We made the leaf.
You gotta slide it in the side. No, over here. Let me show you, babe. Let me show you. Yeah, like that. Oh, too hard. Here you go. That one. You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now let's get started.
You gotta put the...
This one. I want to stitch in there.
Okay, got it. Put it in. You put it in the bottom. Come on, right here. In the hole, right there. There you go.
Donald Trump has come after our health care, fighting to pass a plan that eliminates protection.
I want this. I don't want this one.
For their health, what AARP calls
I'll hold it. You put it in. Go ahead. Put it in.
nothing. He still supports Trump. So when Donald Trump comes after our health care again, do you trust Trump fanboy Alan Fung to stand up to him?
I'm Gemma Martin, treasurer of Alliance for a Better Rhode Island. I approve of and am responsible for the content of this ad.
Good job.
Sit down.
I am.
No,
I'm going to hold it so you can push it.
no, I like.
You want me to lay down?
Yeah.
Okay, well, push this one first. Here, push it down. Want to push it down now?
Yeah. Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay.
You got it? Let me help. Oh, look at it. There it is. What is that?
It's a snake in there.
Oh, another snake.
No.
Oh, it's another snake.
Yeah. Do shark.
Oh, you want to do a shark?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh, you got to clean it up again. Open it. Good job, man.
Security guards and is now in custody, but right now the motive for this attack is unknown.
Every year, millions of leftover prescription drugs end up in the wrong hands.
A problem that may not only be dangerous, but potentially deadly.
You're cleaning it good.
Local communities are participating in National Drug Take-Back Day tomorrow.
Eyewitness News reporter Julianne Lima has the details from the Providence Mobile Newsroom.
Someone is shy.
Even though drug disposal bins like this
Got
one
it?
at the Providence Public Safety Complex are available all year round, Drug Take Back Day serves as a great reminder for all of us to clean out our medicine cabinets and safely dispose of our drugs. Take a look inside this drug disposal bin.
Babe, can you say thank you
Thank you.
and say please subscribe?
Please subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Opioids
Bye.
off of the streets.
For the past 6 years, Providence has participated